All right there, boys and girls, here we go. We have day number 8 of our December daily math. Number 1, this coin is a blank. Choices are dime or nickel. It is a nickel. Very good. It is worth how many cents? 5. Very good. Write an odd number that is less than 20. Okay, so an odd has to end in a ones column with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay, let's go 19. You could also have just the number 1 or 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, or 19. Any one of them. Okay? Show how you know that your number is odd. Well, one, because it ends in an odd number. Okay? But I want to show, because even numbers have to have the same amount on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to break this into 2 equal groups. If it's equal, it's an even number. If it's not equal, it's odd. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I can't add it. So 19 has to be like over here. There's 19. So because there's that extra, okay, that makes it odd. Doesn't break equally into 2 equal groups, or evenly into 2 equal groups. All right, it's pajama day at school. Use the table to answer the questions. And there we have kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades. I see some different numbers on how many students in each grade dressed up in their pajamas. So number 5 says, which grade has the fewest students wearing pajamas? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 7. It has to be the lowest one. The lowest number in this one is 39, which is 2nd grade. And they had 39. 3rd grade has 30 more students wearing pajamas than what grade? So if I have 72 in 3rd grade and they have 30 less than. So let's go, move it over here. Hey there, Taco. We have 72. And if we take off the 30, that'll be 30 more than the other class. So 2 minus 0 is 2. More on top. No need to stop. 7 minus 3 is 4. 42 students. So that's not my answer, though, is it? It's not 42 grade. All right? So which grade has 42 students? There, I see 42. 5th grade. So 3rd grade has 30 more students wearing pajamas than 5th grade. All right, boys and girls, great job on day 8, and we will see you tomorrow for day number 9 of December Daily Math.